Non-autistic body empathy requires embodied simulation and something that we call interoception. Don't worry, I'm going to make it all very, very simple. Let's start with embodied simulation and theory of mind. In 2007, an Italian researcher named Vittorio Gallese wrote a paper entitled Before and Below Theory of Mind, Embodied Simulation and the Neural Correlates of Social Cognition. Embodied simulation is what I've been referring to when I've been talking about neurons firing in my brain when I see other people take actions. That some of the same neurons it would require for me to take the actions I observe being taken by others are firing in my own brain. This is embodied simulation and is what Vittorio Gallese was referring to in his paper. To be overly simplistic, this gives me social insight into others, and it is associated with the mirror neuron system. And we also discussed theory of mind earlier. We talked about it being the way that we as humans create a theoretical concept of what other people are thinking about so that we can understand what their intentions are and predict their future actions. And we talked about theory of mind being associated with cognitive sympathy and the mirror neuron system being associated with emotional empathy. It was a man named Simon Baron-Cohen who advanced these ideas about autism and theory of mind difficulties at the end of the 20th century. And what Vittorio Gallese is doing in his 2007 paper is challenging the idea that it is actually humans' use of theory of mind which gives them insights into others socially.